All right, let's take a look at this daughter card. We had this plugged into the main board, and this plugs in here, and whenever we pushed over here, we were getting a bad connection. So let's take a look at this board and see how she looks close up. This was the side that was down. So it was over here. That was acting up. I mean, it's hard to see that micro corrosion that could be on there and interfering with the beam side. So you can see we've got it solder mounted down there. Looks okay. All these headers connected into the other side. Some resistor arrays. That's going to be for our signals coming in. Get one of these that goes bad, you can lose a channel. More resistor arrays. What do we got going on here? Oh, look at this. Where was this at? Where was our bad side? Our bad side was over here. I guess it could be transmitting across there. That would cause the whole thing to go out. See if we can wiggle it. Hard to see it that way, but let's touch those up. See if that doesn't fix the whole thing. What's the flux? I think the flux that they had on it is kind of stinky. So I really don't want to hit it with a lot of heat and loosen that thing up. Just wick a little off. Really wants to bridge there. Doesn't take much, does it? Getting a little generous with the solder there. Really wanting to fight. Now we bridge this one. Talk about being finicky. Come on. All right, beautiful. All right, that looks good. We're going to throw it in the display, and we're going to see how that turns out. I think that's going to cure a lot of our problems. Like, subscribe, see you next time.